Hey everyone, this is Teddy Petru from Dunder Data. I'm here with a short video showcasing the duplication of methods in Pandas. So one of the things that beginners struggle with the most in Pandas is this overwhelming amount of functionality. There are so many methods available to use, it's difficult to decide which one to use and where. So some good news here is that there is some duplication, so you don't have to use all of the methods. You don't even have to be aware of all of them because some of them are just aliases, which mean they just do the exact same thing as another method. And some of them are just subsets of other methods. So there's other methods that are more powerful that do all of the things that the other method does and more. So I'm going to just showcase this in the missing data section of the Pandas series API. So there are 12 methods here. There's over 200 total series methods available. But I'm just looking at this section because this is one section where there is quite a lot of duplication. So take a look over here. Number one, we have backfill and bfill. These are actually aliases, which means they are the exact same method. And furthermore, it actually says here it's a synonym for the fill in a method when you can use method equals bfill. So both of these are taken care of by the fill in a method. Same thing for the ffill method, which does forward fill. This is taken care of in fill in a. Same thing with pad, it's the same thing. So these four methods, backfill, bfill, ffill, and pad, are all taken care of with fill in a. Drop in a is good on its own, so we don't have to worry about that one. Interpolate does more complex filling of missing values. And in fact, interpolate can also forward fill and backfill as well. So you can actually use interpolate instead of fill in a. Is NA and is null are aliases. It tells you right here. I tend to just use is NA because the word NA is used in Pandas. So these are aliases. They mean they do the exact same method. They just have different names. Same thing for not NA and not null. Exact same thing as an alias. In fact, you can just use is NA and invert it if you want to get the same result as not NA. And then you have replace, which is fine on its own. So you can boil all of these down to just really six methods: drop NA, fill NA, interpolate, is NA, not NA, and replace. The other ones are all duplicated. And you can go even further by just using interpolate instead of fill NA and inverting is NA instead of using not NA. So this is just a showcase of to show you that there is a lot of duplication in Pandas, and it's not necessary to be aware of every single method, but just the ones that are the most important and the ones that give you the most power.